Khojai district pen Karbiang lo adui hoi langkai jan lapen miju ahawar along tingkreng rong pi lapen ari sang hotum kahumri dang Dan seri ahawar along ason kacing tur asai kideng ji apan Karbiang lo Autonomous Council ahin pen long ik isong KSAD Food District Committee angkang Manja Branch Committee atumpen arpu kecelar Kardom ada bertalong pen libertar han bang thare harmoni ben bertang ton pen arjik tha Karbiang lo Autonomous Council CM Tuliram ha kaping khat ateng pen Pardun ron Khojai district pen Karbiang lo adui ahawar tingkreng rong pila pen ari sang hotum pen kahumri da mabirta phaikuni ni phai isi arni Card News asa hemalong pherangke pen birta nang pale Karbiang lo pen Khojai district adui hoi ke do ahawar langkai jan lapen Miju ahawar along Karbiang lo Autonomous Council CM Tuliram rong hang kaping khat ateng pen tingkreng rong pila pen ari sang hotum kahumridam ajai mek along AKADC BJP Konchun Bang Ajit De BJP Town Mondop member Ramkrishna Gohai lapen ari sang hotum chetong dun alang litum pen adui hoi ahawar kahumridam ahut miju ingtiarong lang erso lapen prangpri langso arong ara tum aphan ka chetong dam ahut rong ara tum pen kidu kisung alam nang chethandun rong ara tum kidu kisung alam Chinisi kahumri dam abang phal tumpen mijung ahawar arong arat phan ringwell khum throk an kiwang ji mati jong achuklu angbong kihut piji aphan lamthe chechak tekang lapen thu non pai khunia chiklu angbong Karbiang lo Autonomous Council CM aphan langkajan mijung ahawar along an kiponji aphanta CM aphan Juningri popota lamthe chechak tekang anparta medical sub center Assamese school pen English school kelarji lapen ME school high school Takikim ponji aphan Karbiang lo Autonomous Council CEM pen Cingki cethan ponpo puta langkajan mijung ahawar araratum aphan tingkreng rong pila pen ari sango tumpen lamthe chechak tekang Dhanseri MSC constituency ke parlo angkang phaikuni ni phai HCR ni Dhanseri ahawar along ongdum kaching thor amuke deng ji aphan Karbiang lo Autonomous Council ahin pen pregjam adimalong long ike sompon abirta kadus sa hemalong pherangke pen birta nang pale
Dhanseri ahawar along pregjam ason kaching thora sai ke claim ponja phan long ike sompon asai pado Kaching thora sai ke deng ji aphan long ike sompon amai long aluhi sarpo aman pen Karbiang lo Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram rong hang kachidong dun jalam do sitame alang li kachitong dunun edat ajok Karbiang lo Autonomous Council em abarsing tisa phansi bangsa mai long chetoy dun lo birta ke long dun ateng ke sika kutik kepra lak inkoy tangka pen Dhanseri hithia long Dhanseri bus stand barpi barso ke do dimate toilet Dhanseri pathwa klam Dhanseri higher secondary pathwa klam mini stadium lapen open stage ke kim kerang ponja phan long ek sompon tanglo Long ike sompon amai long Dhanseri MSC mate Karbiang lo Autonomous Council em Pradip Difusa Dhanseri constituency along BJP claim bang pu bang pipen cheng long ongdong rat tumta chetong dun
Manja Chingri Club along phaikuni ni phai HCR ni KSAD Food District Committee angkang arlo kedu KSA Manja Branch Committee atum arpu ke chelar thu amai kepadopon aberta karnus along berta nang pale KSA Manja Branch Committee atum buthot arpu ke chelar thu amai Manja Branch Committee amai phu Rostam England pen si mai charip monlo bangso amai long alui aman pen KSA DRP amai phu Simeon Rongphar SSDC amai phu Dr. Mongwe Rongpi Manja Bazar Committee Akonchun Bang Don Singh Teron Lapen Dipu District Committee amai phu Puron be atum chetong dun si mai RDP dun labang so amai long KSA claim bang phu bang phiatum koson si Karbiang long arat keduk kisung pen Kipajok dun thekjima Karbiang lo arisoi janga tuma phang kecharli ahin koson pensi kepa phrang dun thekjima bidi sore kipi dun thekjima lapen longle phelang koson si kacherai kom dun thekjima lai aputha KSA DRP amai phu Simeon Rongphar pen lamthi kejai pon pado lapen KSA Manja Branch Committee akimi arpu kachepek ponthu tum lake Rostam England aphan mai phu Jensing Timung aphan Chunbang Rolling Teron Pi aphan Dunmai Phi Amor Teron aphan Rap Chunbang Sagor Tiso Dihin Rimbang Kiron Hanse Saihem Chunbang Kisom Timung Pachthang Chunbang Rumir Tisopi Jutang Jubat Achunbang Bikrom Singh Naraphan Logacharlia Hin Achunbang Lapen Arudan Timung Kijui Kepathu Achunbang Arpu Pek Ponlo Pusi Birta Dibdunlong nan malom support han berta mong ton panik sina
Kopili Family Restaurant, a fine dining restaurant, the most flavorable and exciting meals made with passion. Ethnic cuisine like Indian tandoori, Chinese, Pan-Asian and Karbi kitchen. Special food items like seafood dishes, fish and prawns are served. Pork special like barbecue pork spare ribs and Northeast style pork curry. Wait! Not only this, Durga Puja special buffet starts from 17th and valid till 19th of October 2018. Also, the restaurant does catering order for parties, events, wedding, etc. It also offers free home delivery services. Distance and minimum order. Within 2 kilometers, rupees 500, 2 to 5 kilometers, 700, and 7 to 10 kilometers, rupees 2,500. For queries and services, contact at 6901312934 or 6901312930. Kopili Family Restaurant, 4th floor, HRSA Complex, Dharamnala Road, Difu, near Bazar, India. Big sale! Up to 20% off on baby wear, 5% off on grocery items and 6% off on beauty and personal care. Also special Durga Puja offer on ladies and gents wear. To avail this opportunity, step in Saraswati Superstore right now. Home delivery services are available within 3 kilometers radius of Difu. For more details and services, please contact at 7024-56806 or 9957-537019. Saraswati Superstore, MS Hans Enterprise, near Mamta Pharmacy, Difu Main Market. Hurry up! Hero Company gives you a beautiful opportunity to have any kind of scooty or bike with the best help of easy loan facility. Also, it will be covered up with best driving comfort, best mileage, easy spot finance, best looks, etc. Service accessories and spare parts are available here. Please contact nearest authorized dealer. SMV Motors, opposite of DIG Bungalow, Difu Manje Road, Karbi Anglong, Difu. For more queries, please contact 9613731109 or 9101147818. J&J Mandu has come to twist your taste with ethnic traditional dishes, noodles, rice, main course, beverages, soups and many more. A restaurant that makes you feel alive and energized. You can be out there enjoying the things you love. Parties like wedding parties and birthday parties are also taken up. On any occasion, the order must be given at earliest time. For more queries, please contact 9435-925-116. J&J Amandu, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Birla, near Bharat Petrol Pump. A family restaurant, a part of your family.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dina mo piputat bertalong bang thula dan dakhat along kedo dongka chingthu pathu aklam along phaikuni ni phai ACR ni samilang so IT DP development block pen gram sabha amai kepadopon
Dongka chingthu pathu aklam along samilang so ITDP development block pen gram sabha mai kepadopon along VDC chairman Khogen Tisopet mai chari ponlo labang so mai long PHC soil conservation medical sai kamasai khatum chetong dun la suhut Ayushman Bharat card lapen old age pension ta kachtong alohia tumpen keron padopon
Jintong MSC constituency ke parlo angkang phaikuni ni phai ACR ni thangmo pathu aklam along kijutsi mate angdung kiti football kachpate ke padopon aberta karnu sa sahema long pherang ke pen berta nang pale
Angdung Giti football ki pathu pon along Singdoloi 5-star pen Malong Kasir football club atum angbong si chepate ponlo ki pathu ki cheng pen nat aterang atum ta ki pathu ki thek sera jok pen ana poran ke ball ipum nat ta chipi thek wang widatlo sutame pen ana por pathu pon de rapi Malong Kasir football club pen Singdoloi 5-star atum ball ipum pum chipilo api thu Malong Kasir football club atum pen ball ipum ki thap thua jok labang so Angdung Giti ki pathu along Malong Kasir atum pen si chipahai ponlo Angdung Giti ki pathu bon along alhi sarpo aman pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Yem Pradip Rongpi Chetong Dun Lapen Chinthong MEC Constituency VDC Chairman Lapen Penan BJP Song along Arpu Kito Bang Pubang Pipen Chenglong Ong Dung Arat Tumta Football ki pathu Angdung Giti along Chetong Dun
Ada berta bang lapasi kang ton ponegla dumi thangme kurwang thu